Hi guys and welcome to today's video. Today's video is a Colaba Causeway haul for you all. I recently visited Colaba Causeway and I shopped a bit and I thought to share it with you all. People who don't know what Colaba Causeway is, it's basically a lane which is really famous for its very affordable and good quality products. They sell jewelry, like mostly accessories, from jewelry to sunglasses, your watches, night suit, t-shirt, dresses, bags and so on. It's a paradise for college going students and also for budget shoppers. Even I used to shop a lot from Colaba Causeway when I was in college, and I have picked few stuff and I want to share it with you all. If you want to know what I got from Colaba Causeway, keep on watching. The first product that I'm going to show you all are the sunglasses. If you don't buy sunglasses and jewelry from Colaba, then why did you even visit Colaba? So I picked two sunglasses from there and these are the ones. And I like big size sunglasses on me, so I've picked this one. It has a very nice golden detailing here and I like the frame size. It is light brown in color and it's suiting me well. And I wanted dark black, like jet black color in this, but that wasn't available, so I picked the light brown one. And the other one is a reflector. This is also a very nice piece. It has a golden detailing all over the glass and it reminds me of one of the styles from Dior, so I just picked it up. The guy quoted 450 for each sunglass, but you can always bring down the prices. You can bargain a lot there, so I paid just 150 each for both the sunglasses. Next up, I've got three jewelry pieces and these are the ones. They give you in this plastic wrapping, and the boho jewelry there is really famous. So there were so many options that I got confused, and normally I don't wear anything on my neck like you can see, but this time I wanted to buy something, so I picked this one up. This is a very nice piece and this will look like really nice. It's basically a choker style and these were the designs that I saw with almost all the sellers there in different colors as well. So I went little safe and picked this one up. I paid, I think, 100, no, I think I paid 150 for this. He was quoting, I don't know, 3 or 400 rupees, but I've just paid 150 for this one. And so the second piece is the golden chain, and this is how it looks. It has a very long chain which is nice, and this is how the pendant looks like. It has elephant detailing right here and then a long pendant thing with the jhumki right at the bottom, and it will look really nice with plain kurtis or plain suits. So accessories like this really enhances your plain outfit, so that's the reason I picked this up. And the third one is again the golden one, but this is not like your boho or the Indian traditional thing. This you can wear with your t-shirts and dresses. This is little entangled. Let me open it up and I'll show you. This third piece was entangled so bad, but now I have opened it and this is how it looks. This looks really nice with your again plain t-shirts and your dresses. So it's basically a 3-layer neck piece and it has a blade on, like on the first layer, and then the opener on the second one, and then just a basic triangle at the bottom. So I found it really cute and this will look like nice with this top as well, and I've paid just 100 rupees for this. Next up, I've got one waist belt and this is how it looks. It's little broad and it's black in color and with a golden buckle right here. It has few holes so that I can adjust the size accordingly. Now a black belt like this and also a white one, these are the staples like you must have in your wardrobe, because both the colors go really well with all the outfits. And I have 2-3 dresses which are little loose and out of shape, so I always thought that I'll buy a waist belt and I can wear those outfits because they are just lying in my wardrobe like that. So I picked this one up and I will wear those outfits now, and I'm really excited to try this because after like college I haven't wear a waist belt, so I'm really looking forward to wear this. And I've paid just 200 rupees for this. That guy was quoting 450 and I just paid 200, so I think it's a great deal. Up next, I have a footwear to show you all, and this is how it looks. I absolutely love these flats. I mean, the quality is really nice. The pattern is also really nice. The color is blush pink and it's a neutral color, so it will go with all my tops and t-shirts. I can wear it with denims, jeggings, and also with my dresses. And this was quoted at 650 or 750, and I paid just 250 for this one. So I think it's a really nice deal. 250 for such a nice flat is, I think, an amazing deal. So yeah, that's that. Moving on to second last product of this haul, I've picked just one top from Colaba because I was not really sure of the sizes. So the top that I picked looks like this. It's a military green color with leaves printed all over it, and it has nice elastic stretchy thingy here and also at the arm, so it fits me really well at the bust, and also the arms fits really well. This is the sleeves, and this is a bell shaped sleeves, and the bottom of the top is peplum, so it fits me really well. It looked cute when I tried at home. So yeah, the uncle quoted it for 550. I paid just 300 for this. The last product of this haul is a night dress. So I picked this really cute night dress. This is pink in color, and it is like half sleeves, and it has a print which says "What's up, Snoopy?" and this has a very nice length, like it is till my knees, so I can easily wear it at home, like during the daytime as well. I like wearing my night suits and loose fitted t-shirts and dresses at home. I feel comfortable in that. So this was priced at 350 or 400, he was saying, but I gave just 200 for this, and the quality is really nice. Like the material is really soft, and also the color is so cute. So I'm really looking forward to try this night suit. With this, I end my Colaba Causeway haul video. I hope you really enjoyed watching this one. And before leaving this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It would mean the world to me. And I shall see you all in my next video. Till then, take care guys. Thanks for watching. Mwah.